Hey curl friends! So if you notice that your curls start to fall a little bit throughout the day, I have a couple of tips on how to revive them. So tip number one is just to do a couple finger coils. And by that, I mean taking small or large sections of your hair and twisting it away from your face, because that was the same direction that your hair was wrapped when we wrapped around the curling headband. And if you notice, it'll just like pop right back into that spiral curl, redefining it, reviving it. And another tip while you're doing these finger coils is if you want to have more volume, I recommend doing a couple layers, one right under another, so that you have multiple curls all kind of pushing up against each other, adding volume to your hair. So this is just like a super easy, quick tip to revive the curl shape. Now another tip is just to throw your curling headband back on. You don't need to re-wet your hair. You can just pop it in. If you're going for a run, that's really great. It'll kind of set it more with the heat coming off your head. If you're going into the shower, pop it back on, throw a shower cap over it, and the steam will help set it better. And of course, if you're going back to bed that night, you still have like a little bit of wave and definition. You don't necessarily have to re-wet it and reset it with your products if you were using products. You can just wrap it back up again quickly and it'll reset even if you don't add more products. So hope this video was helpful. Thank you as always for being our curl friend. I'm Emily Kenison, the founder and inventor of RobeCurls. And if you have any other questions or want any other tips and tricks, do drop a comment in the section below. We read them all. We love to hear from you and we make these videos for you. So let us know what you'd like to see. And thank you again for being our curl friend.